Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 22 of our 6th annual Treasure Trovember Mixed Media Collage Challenge. If you are still here, you are getting so close to the end. So close to the end. We're on day 22. If you have just found this video on YouTube, because that happens, I'm going to link to the welcome video down below. You can do this challenge whenever you'd like, but the welcome video will explain it all. It's very short and simple. Each day we add a new thing to one single collage throughout the entire month of November. So, day 22. The prompt is to add your favorite color. Whatever that is, add something that is your favorite color to your collage today, and then come back tomorrow for day 23.